Do you know that there is a guaranteed way to make money in Forex? Very few traders know about this. But in this video, I will show you how you can make money guaranteed. Looking at the screen right now, I have a trade that is on USD JPY, and the trade is making $114. However, when you look at the total, you're having about $129. That's about $15 extra. Now, let me show you how it got to $130. When I open the detail of the trade, you find out that I've earned $15.49 as my swap. So, what is a swap? A swap is the interest that you are paid, or the interest that you pay when you leave your trade overnight. So if you are buying a currency with a higher interest rate, then you are paid a swap when you leave that currency over the night. But if you are selling a currency with a higher interest rate, then you are required to pay an interest when you leave your trade over the night. So here is how you determine the swap that you will be paid. When you go to your quotes, click on any currency or long press on it, then go to symbol properties. Then in the symbol properties, you will find swap long and swap short. What it's telling us here is that when you're buying a standard lot size of Euro USD, which is $100,000, and you leave it overnight, you will pay an interest of $8 to the broker for holding that trade overnight. That means you'll be losing money each time that your Euro USD long position stays overnight. So you avoid longing Euro USD and leaving it overnight, because you'll be accumulating negative swap, and then even if you're making some profits, it will be reducing the amount of profits you're making. But if you are selling one standard lot of Euro USD and you leave it overnight, then you will be paid $4.65 or 66 cents for each time you leave it overnight. So what it means is that if you sell Euro USD and leave it over a few days, you'll be paid $4 every time that the trade rolls over to the following day. And on Wednesdays, you'll be paid twice this amount because it is considered weekend interest. So let's look at another example, which is this USD JPY. So when you check the properties, you find out that when you are buying USD JPY, you'll be paid an interest of $10 for every night you leave it for a standard lot size, which is $100,000 worth of contract. But if you are shorting it, if you are selling your USD JPY, you will pay an interest of $15 for every night you leave the trade on. So invariably, you can just come to your quotes and look for trades that you can get positive swaps and go in the direction that you're having that positive swap and just earn the interest. It is just like you saving your money in the bank, and interest is being paid to you for every time you leave your money. It's automatic. So try it out, and I wish you the best.